Two men were reportedly shot and killed and another man injured in Nannyville Garden, St. Andrew on Monday night. The deceased have been identified as 34-year-old Demar Pink and 25-year-old Stefan Wallace of Kingston 3 addresses. The Jamaica Constabulary Force communication arm confirmed the incident, stating that it took place around 9:30 p.m. at a parking lot between Easton Douglas Drive and Abuba Way. It is reported that residents heard explosions and called the police. Upon the arrival of the lawmen, Pink and Wallace were reportedly seen suffering from gunshot wounds to the upper body. The men were assisted to hospital where Pink and Wallace were pronounced dead. The third victim was admitted to hospital. Police say the main suspect in last week's murder of alleged gangster cop Constable Maria Thomas was fatally shot during an alleged confrontation in Botop, Manchester on Monday. Police named the man as Kerry Douglas, 33, otherwise called Little Dog or Stick Man. Head of the Manchester Police Deputy Superintendent Kerry Duncan said during the early morning incidents, a 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 5 live rounds was seized. Sometime after 3 a.m. today, there was joint police operation in the Botop district in the Alligator Pond police area. This operation was conducted in conjunction with members of the Specialized Operations Unit. During the operation, a warrant was executed at a premises, he said. Duncan said the police defended themselves. On their approach, they were greeted with gunfire. The police took evasive action and returned the fire. When the shooting ended, one man was found suffering from gunshot wounds, he said. He is urging citizens to comply with the police.